We have already learned the division of polynomials by another polynomial. Since x square minus 5x plus 6 is divided by x minus 2, since we get the remainder 0, here x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 5x plus 6. 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. Here x square plus 3x plus 1 is the factor of this given polynomial. So the question is it possible to find the remainder without having to divide one polynomial by another polynomial? Yes, this can be done by using remainder theorem. According to this theorem, a rational integral polynomial p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Suppose here, according to division algorithm, px of x is divided by x minus a, quotient is q of x, remainder r. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. P of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus r. Since it is divided by x minus a with 0 remainder, P of a is equal to r. Therefore, the remainder is P of a. So, according to the remainder theorem, a rational integral polynomial P of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. Here, find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. Here, according to remainder theorem, since it is divided by x minus 2 by 3, remainder is p of 2 by 3. In the given polynomial, wherever x is there, we have to replace with 2 by 3. P of 2 by 3 is equal to 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So on simplifying this, we get the remainder minus 3. So therefore, without actual division, we are finding the remainder. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square plus a are divided by x plus 2, leaving the same remainder, find the value of a. So let the polynomials be f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5. Another polynomial is there, g of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus a. What is the polynomial with which they are to be divided? X plus 2. Given that f of x and g of x are divided by x plus 2, leaving the same remainder. So here we have to understand that when these two polynomials are divided by x plus 2, leaving the same remainder means, according to remainder theorem, f of minus 2 should be equal to g of minus 2, because we want to find the remainder. When a polynomial is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is f of a. When x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the remainders are f of minus 2 and g of minus 2 for the given polynomials. Since they leave the same remainder, f of minus 2 is equal to g of minus 2. Therefore, on replacing these polynomials with minus 2 wherever x is there, minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus 5 is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus a. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 8. A into 4, 4a, 5 is plus 5 is equal to minus 8. Minus 2 whole square, 4 into minus 2, minus 8 plus a. So here minus 8 cancel. I am taking to left side, it get them cancelled. 4a minus a. When you bring this a to right side, left side, 4a minus a is equal to minus 8 minus 5. So 3a is equal to minus 13. A is equal to minus 13 by 3. So when these two polynomials are divided by x plus 2 with the same remainder, a value should be equal to minus 13 by. Move on to the next question. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d is equal to 0. Given f of x is equal to x power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus d x plus e. Since x square minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial f of x, their product, it can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Therefore x plus 1 and x minus 1 are also factors of f of x. Therefore, since it is divided by x plus 1 according to 0 remainder is f of minus 1. F of minus 1 should be equal to 0. Similarly, f of 1 should also be equal to 0. F of minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 whole cube 4 power 4 plus b into minus 1 whole cube plus c into minus 1 whole square plus d into minus 1 plus e. In the place of x, we are substituting minus 1. A minus b plus c plus minus d plus c. So, since it is divisible by x plus 1, remainder is 0. Therefore, when you make it equal to 0, a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. F of 1 is equal to a into 1 power 4 plus b into 1 cube plus c into 1 square plus d into 1 plus e is equal to 0 because it is divisible by x plus x minus 1. So therefore a plus b plus c plus d plus e is equal to 0. But we get a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. A plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. B plus d, again b plus d is there. 2 into b plus d is equal to 0. 2 into b plus d is equal to 0. B plus d is equal to 0. Here a plus c plus e is equal to, you have got b plus d is equal to 0. Therefore b plus d is equal to 0. Hence we got the required result. Hence proved. A plus c plus e is equal to b plus d is equal to 0. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Let f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. When we observe this f of x polynomial clearly, sum of the powers of odd coefficients is equal to sum of the powers of even coefficients. In such a case, x minus 1 is one of its factors. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to, so here f of 1 in the place of this given polynomial, wherever x is there, replace it with 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So f of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is one of its factors. Since f of 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is one of its factors. So when this polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x minus 1, first term by first term, x cube by x is equal to x square into x cube, x square into minus 1 minus x square. When we take away this polynomial here, minus x cube get cancelled, minus x square minus x plus 2. Again first term of the dividend by first term of the quotient, minus x square by x is equal to minus x into x minus x square minus x minus 2x plus 2, minus 2x by 2 minus 2, minus 2 into x minus 2x plus 2, plus 2x minus 2x cancel, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, 0. Therefore, apart from x minus 1, there are two more factors for this polynomial. What are they? Here we have got the divisor x square minus x minus 2. When we factorize this one, we will get two more factors. They are x plus 1 and x minus 2. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2, x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, what are the other two factors apart from this? X minus 1, it's already factor, x plus 1 and x minus 2. So x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. Minus 3 is a factor of y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. Then find the other two factors. Let f of y is equal to y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18, which when divided by one of its factors called y minus 3, y square into y minus 3, y cube minus 3y square. On subtraction, we'll get y square, bring down minus 9y, therefore y square minus 9y. Y square by y, y into y minus 3, y square minus 3y. On subtraction, we will get again minus 6y, bring down plus 18 by this side, therefore minus 6y by y minus 6. Therefore, we will get the remainder 0. Therefore, the factors are y minus 3 into y plus 3 into y minus 2. So, therefore, you are getting the quotient here y square plus y minus 6. On factorization, we will get y plus 3 into y minus 2. In addition to y minus 3, there are two more factors for this polynomial, y plus 3 into y minus 2. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Srinivas SR Chaganti to get the continuous updates.